Yo you guys, it's Badger here, and today we have another jewelry piece, as you can maybe tell already. I found this on Aliexpress and I was kind of curious to see what this is all about. It is a bigger charm and it is the bee. It is a replica from Thomas Sabo, and I was really surprised to see that on AliExpress, and especially for the pricing. I think I'll pay like $8 or so, and as you can see, it is pretty detailed. The little wings and the paint job looks good. There's nothing messy or anything, so yeah, definitely really nicely done. We got a little hanger clip, which is also moving quite nicely. And all in all, definitely a really cool center piece, especially for the $8 that you pay for that, because the original one is around 180, I think, these days. Obviously, this one doesn't come with the branding on it, but as long as you don't mind it not being on there, you can definitely pick up really cute little bee for way cheaper than the original one. And apparently it is all silver. Um, I kind of doubt that, to be honest, because for $8, I mean the material cost would be probably $8 already by this size and the weight of this thing. Maybe they put like silver around, like a coat or so. That could be something that they did, but like I don't really mind, especially because it looks so freaking good and so cute. And yeah, it's just more than I expected for the pricing. There's like no sharp parts or uneven ones, and yeah, it's just way better than I thought it would be. So you don't necessarily have to wear it um, on your necklace. You can throw that on a keychain or anything else. Um, Let me grab my necklace though and show how that would look like. But you can use it all in different ways as well. Like you can throw that on your bracelet or, like I said, keychain or whatever. So let's remove quick our little hanger here, and then let's throw this on the silver necklace. I mean, you can combine it the way you want it, but just so you get an idea what it looks like when it's hanging, the weight is pretty even. Like it's just sitting there looking cute, and definitely something I'm excited for to show up during the summertime. And yeah, I think we can call it a day, you guys. Take care and have a good one. My name is Badger. I'm out. Check it out yourself, and I will see you around for the next video. And bye bye.